Assalamualaikum ninth class. Good morning. I'm your teacher Ma'am Hira. Today is 22nd of June and today is Monday. This lecture is related to our morning class, what we have learned in our online classes on Monday morning. We are reading nowadays unit number 4. The name of that unit is Structure of Molecules. Our today's topic is covalent bond. Covalent bond, you may have heard the word covalent bond earlier or before, or you will also in the whole 9th class. This is very important topic of the 9th class. So first of all, I have created a complete elaboration with proper examples of that. First of all, let me tell you the definition of covalent bond. It is the simplest and easier definition of covalent bond, that bond formed by mutual sharing of electrons. The bond is formed by the mutual means collective, combined sharing. Both atoms, how many atoms are involved in the making of the bond, they collectively share their electrons, and the resulting bond is called covalent bond. Moving towards next is the types of that bond. There are 3 types of covalent bond, namely single covalent bond, double covalent bond and triple covalent bond. How many types are there? There are 3 types, namely single, double and triple covalent bond. We will learn all of them one by one, starting with our single covalent bond. So let me tell you the definition of that. It is very simple and hidden in the word of the definition single. So single bond is made by the sharing of single electron. If only one electron is shared by the participant, the resulting bond will be single covalent bond, and it is represented by a single line like this. This is the single line, and both atoms share their single electron. Let me tell you, example of that is hydrogen, whose atomic number is 1 and atomic mass is also 1. I have made the structure. This is hydrogen and this is another hydrogen. 2 hydrogen combine mutually. They two interconnect, combine, and both single electron become in a pair. They become pair. They were single before, but after joining they become in pair, and it is represented by a single line. When both atoms share one electron of them, the resulting bond will be a single covalent bond. Next to that is double covalent bond. So what is double covalent bond? I have told you it is hidden in the word. Double will be by the sharing of double electrons. Each atom will share 2 of the electrons to make a double bond, and it is represented by 2 lines. One is for one bond and next one is for another bond. 2 lines show that it is a double covalent bond. So what is the definition of double covalent bond? Is the bond formed by the sharing of 2 electron pairs is called a double covalent bond. I have given an example of oxygen. Oxygen's atomic number is 18 and mass is 16. I have made the structure as its atomic number is 8, so first orbit will have 2 electrons and the next to that will have 6 of them, 2, 4, 6, and the inner 2, 8. Here the 2 oxygen atoms join mutually. They join mutually and share. I have only shown the bonded electron here so that it couldn't mess up like this. Okay, so what will they do? They both will share 2 of them. Here are first oxygen atoms 2 electron, and these are the other 2 of this atom. The 2 combine mutually and share 4 electrons collectively, so the resulting bond will be a double covalent bond. Last is our triple covalent bond. So hidden in the name, triple means a bond formed by the formation of 3 electrons. Each atom will share its 3 electrons, and it is represented by a 3 single lines showing that this is the first bond, second bond and third bond. That's why it is called triple covalent bond. Single covalent bond is formed by the sharing of single electron. Double is formed by the sharing of 2 electrons by each atom, and triple covalent bond is formed by the sharing of 3 electrons by each atom. Nitrogen is the example of that. Nitrogen has atomic number 7 and atomic mass 14. I have made complete structure over here. So 7 means first orbit contains 2 electrons and the least orbit contains 5 electrons. 5 and 2 make 7. Next to that is another nitrogen atom. They both combine mutually. Here again I have only shown the bonded electrons so that it couldn't mess up like this. So what is here? How can you explain this? That one atom shares 1, 2, 3 electrons. The other atom also shares 1, 2, 3 electrons. I have also color differentiated them so that you can understand it better. This is the atom and these are the shared electrons, and I have marked this with a circle so that you could understand that how many electrons or bonds are involved. Alright, so here is one bond, here is two bonds, and there are three bonds because one atom shares three electrons from this side and three from this. They both form a pair and one pair forms a bond. So it is represented by three lines because it is sharing three electrons. Alright class, let me tell you a quick review again. What is covalent bond? Covalent bond is formed by the mutual sharing. The both atom or involved atom combine by the mutual sharing, by joining with them with the mutual sharing. It has three types as shown in the figure. You have to learn these examples and draw their structure as well, and write proper definition with complete elaborations. If you have any problem, you can ask me again. I hope you have understood this topic. Thank you, 9th class. Stay home and stay safe.